honor our presence, and more so as the travel from the continent of Africa. All
the president for the speech he gave in Parliament, because he managed to assure and to reassure the nation that we are in the right trajectory. Furthermore, I want to sincerely thank the president for cancelling the Adani deal, because that is something that most Kenyans were against. And we thank the president because the president is a listening president. But aside to that, since the president has cancelled that deal, we believe that there were certain gaps. We believe that there were certain procedural irregularities. And we want to take it further.